Here's a quick tutorial on how to utilize and the value of the frequently bought together option. This is basically your do you want fries with that option. So after your customers have already added all the products to the checkout, we have a frequently bought together. And it's important showing this in the checkout and not before the checkout. The thought process is exactly what happens in a grocery store. The most vital part of real estate inside of a grocery store is right at checkout when you've already mentally prepared to check out and you have your credit card ready. So right here, the new cart already says another upgraded feature is shipping for US. It shows an amount and then it'll show the discounted amount. So this particular company offers free shipping. So if you offer free shipping, this could be changed. But if you don't offer free shipping, it should say $15 and it should say discounted. So even if it's $2 or $3 that the customer saves, that's a good option to show them. So here's the frequently bought together when it's active and how it looks. They can click view, see the product, and they can add it right to the cart. So now this will increase your average order value. How you actually make this functional, you would go in the back office of your theme, you go to customize, you click from home page, you would go to cart, you would click cart on the left, you would scroll all the way down, you hit add upsell. So you usually want to add smaller ticket items. So if you're a hair company and you sell hair accessories, or like this company sells, I guess, little slides. So you can add an upsell slide and you can give a small description. You can add another upsell. So it's really good for small ticket items, not big investments, because nobody's going to add an additional $200-300 to their cart, but they would add an additional 10. So something like this, right? And then you'll write a description. Then you hit save, and then let me exit off of this pop-up. So now when I click get started here, I add a product here, and I have the multi-select already on. Add it, add to cart. So now it shows me the products, and then it also shows me the frequently bought together. So I didn't add a description. So we also have the order reserved option here. This is another upsell feature that would increase your average order value, creating that urgency that the cart is reserved, and letting them know that the items are in high demand. So you can only get this on your cart page and not inside of your Shopify cart. In order to get this inside of your Shopify cart, you would need advanced permissions from Shopify. So you have to have a Shopify Plus plan to have it in your actual cart. Like the bigger stores like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things, it's additional $2,000 a month to have the Shopify Partners plan. And you get a lot of cool advanced permissions that you can do, like customizing your actual cart page. But right now, just with a standard plan, you will have standard permissions. All right, so that's the tutorial, concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions, let us know.